In order to add a filter to your Excel file so you can find specific data, come to your document. Click on the columns you wish to filter. From here, come up to the top right where it says Editing, click Sort and Filter. Come down and click on Filter. This will now add a filter to all of the columns you had selected. For example, if you wanted to search for data for those who are only based in the United States, come to the Country column, click on the drop-down, deselect Select All, then click on United States. From here, click OK. This will now show you all the data for those based in the United States. If you wish to clear this filter, click on the drop-down once again, click on Select All, and this will select all of the information that is in that column. You can have multiple filters selected at once. So for example, country, we want to select China, click OK. But we want to see those who are in China but in the IT department. So come to Department, click on the drop down, deselect Select All, click IT and click